Hey guys, how's it going? We are here in Atlantic City, New Jersey at the Cambridge or Claridge Hotel in Lansing, New Jersey. This is a older historic hotel. We got a room here with two double beds. Standard room. Let's go take a look. Security map. Claridge shows the logo. 50-inch, nice 50-inch Samsung TV. Mini fridge, which is clean. Desk with coffee maker. Here's our view. Windows don't open. We are on the 20th floor. See the bay right there. Beds are firm, but are clean. Didn't sleep too bad though. That being said, climate control, round pointing. Bathroom is occupied as usual. Bathroom is clean, has a nice walk-in shower. You got stuff like this. Outlet. Cambridge, show the logo. Here's the address if you want to stay here. You got stuff like this. This is the only thing I see. Dirty vent. Mirror, what's up guys? Safe. Look, another pane of the room. Bathroom occupied as usual. So to wrap up my impressions, not a bad place. One of the cheaper options you would be on boardwalk and the beach. You do have a bridge connected to Bally's, so that does make up with not having a casino. The pool is nice and warm and heated. The pool area could use a little bit of a renovation. And same with the fitness center. That part is really original. Room's not bad. They do have a rooftop bar and lounge, which seems to be closed on in here in early September. And the elevator won't let me up onto there, so that might be closed as I'm filming this video, so I can't tell you about that. Has an arcade for the kids. The lobby's really cool and historic. The elevators, if you're an elevator enthusiast, you'll like the elevators here. Here's the hallway. Here's the elevators right here. And yeah, if you don't mind, we'll stay in the hallway. But all in all, it's a clean place to stay. Room 2053. So, if you like old historic hotels and you don't want a casino right in the hotel, you did have one back in the day, but not anymore. But yeah, if you want an old historic hotel, it is clean. A little bit cheaper than the big casino hotels. There's a $39 a night resort fee here, so you can't get away from resort fee. And the parking is $25 a night, which is, I think, it's ridiculous. But what we did is you can park at Bally's for $15 a night. Then if you have a rewards card, like the yellow standard card for Bally's is $10 a night for parking. Then if you have the green card and higher for Bally's is free for parking. But park at Bally's and save yourself some money and not pay the $25 a night for parking here at the Cambridge. Just park at the Bally's garage for $15 or $10, depending on your gambling status. So there's your hack for parking. So yes, if you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe. KW out. Will recommend.